In this video, I want to show you how to check the battery health on your iPhone 16e. In case you want to purchase one, you just want to see if the battery is still good, just go into the settings. And once you're in settings, it should look like this. Go and tap on battery. And from here, all you have to do is to go down. And over here, you should see battery health. Tap on it. And right over here, you should see the maximum capacity. Over here, we have a brand new iPhone 16e. This is why it's at 100%. But usually when it drops under 80%, you should start thinking replacing the battery because the phone won't last you a full day. And definitely you're going to notice a huge difference comparing to a new battery. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.